Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, and today I will show you how to manage mobile data limits on your OUKITEL WP20. And the first step to do that is from main menu we must navigate to the settings. In it we choose first option network and internet, and after that mobile network, where we have data warming and limit. And there we can change our data limits. In the first option, mobile data usage size, we can set our data of each month, probably first day of each month, when our data limit starts. We can turn on or turn off function set data warming, and now set data usage warming in gigabytes or megabyte, how many you need. And the last option is set data limit. We can turn on it and confirm by OK, and now we can change it in gigabyte and megabyte too. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.